Today we're making this delicious and quick Korean gochujang fried chicken and a spicy cabbage salad.
Hi, and welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister and I are excited to show you tasty recipes that include a main dish and a side dish. Today, I'm cooking this tasty Korean gochujang fried chicken.
Hi, I'm Laura over here in my kitchen in California. I'm getting ready to make a spicy Korean cabbage salad that will pair perfectly with that chicken.
I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe. They soak up more flavor and they don't dry out as easily.
Let's start by marinating the chicken. Mix the vinegar, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, salt, and pepper in a sealable plastic bag. And then add the chicken. Give it a good shake. Put the whole bag in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. If you have time, you can leave it overnight for more flavor.
While you're marinating the chicken, you can go ahead and get started on the cabbage salad. I'm using red and green cabbage here because it gives it a nice color contrast that I really like in this salad. Now for the sauce. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and stir it up.
I'm getting ready to bread the chicken over here. Add flour, cornstarch, and baking powder to a sealable plastic bag and shake it up.
I've tried this before and the chicken didn't get very crispy. What do you think I did wrong?
The magic ingredient, believe it or not, is the cornstarch. Okay, we're ready to cook the chicken. Let's remove it from the refrigerator. Remove the chicken from the marinade. You'll want to shake off any excess before you put it in the flour bag. I like to use a bag instead of a bowl because it's easier and way less messy. Give the bag a good shake so that all the chicken pieces get coated well. Take the chicken out of the bag and let it sit for a few minutes on a wire rack to soak up the flour. Now we need to make the sauce, and let me tell you, you are gonna love this sauce. Combine the gochujang, ketchup, honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and garlic in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir well and simmer for about 5 minutes to let it thicken slightly. That's all there is to it. Super easy.
I'm using my air fryer today to cook the chicken. It's my favorite way to cook chicken. It always comes out crispy and delicious. I'm gonna spray the chicken with oil before I cook it. I'm just using this Bertolli olive oil that I get at Walmart. It doesn't matter what oil you use, just make sure it's propellant free so it's safe for your air fryer. I'm also going to spray my air fryer basket.
What? I never spray the basket.
What? I always spray my basket.
You don't need to spray the basket. Mine doesn't stick.
Well, I don't care what she says. I'm older, and so my way goes.
Space the chicken out in the air fryer basket so that it's not touching. There has to be enough room for the air to circulate around the chicken to get crispy. That's the secret of an air fryer. The amount of time the chicken needs to cook will vary depending on the size of the pieces, but they'll need about 6 minutes per side.
Now that you're about ready to plate up the chicken, let's finish up this salad. Pour the dressing onto the cabbage. Now stir it up so that every bit of the cabbage gets dressed. That's it, the side is done.
When the chicken's done, transfer it to a plate. Dip it in the sauce to coat it well on both sides. Don't skimp on the sauce. In fact, I sometimes make a double batch.
All right, well, that's our Korean gochujang fried chicken with a spicy cabbage salad.
If you enjoyed our video today, we'd love it if you'd give it a like and subscribe to our channel to see new videos as they come out. I'm a little sad that I don't have any chicken here. Well, see you next time.